Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the iRobot Roomba 405. If you're interested in the 405 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, to get this factory reset, we're going to hold down the home button for 5 seconds.
To factory reset Roomba, press the home and power buttons again and hold for 5 seconds.
So did you hear that? We got the chime. It gave us instructions to hold the power and home button for 5 more seconds now.
Starting factory reset.
Voice
Factory
prompt.
settings restored.
Starting factory reset, factory settings restored. So super quick. So simple, straightforward instructions. Hold down the home button, only the home button for 5 seconds till you hear that chime in the voice prompt instructing you to hold down both the home and power buttons for 5 seconds. Then you'll hear the factory reset again and get the update. But simple, straightforward to factory reset your iRobot Roomba 405.